Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the coolest tools and gadgets that make life simpler, smarter, and way more efficient. Today, I've got 12 hidden gems on Amazon, from clever cleaning gear to pro-level hand tools. You're gonna want every single one of these. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Need a little extra height without hauling out a bulky ladder? The HB Tower 2-step stool is your go-to solution. Weighing just 6.7 pounds, it folds down slim, but opens up strong with a 330-pound weight capacity. Its wide aluminum steps give your feet more room to land, and the textured surface plus anti-slip rubber feet keep things steady, even on slippery tile or hardwood. Thanks to its smart triangular frame, this stool stays solid no matter where you use it. Whether you're reaching kitchen cabinets, replacing bulbs in the office, or grabbing that one box in the closet that's always out of reach. The best part? It comes fully assembled and folds in seconds, making it super easy to stash behind a door or under the bed. And when it's not on ladder duty, it moonlights as a surprisingly chic plant stand. Practical, safe, and just plain useful. It's a must-have for any space. Number 2. The Woobin G5 is one of those flashlights you don't realize you need until it's in your hand, and then you wonder how you lived without it. It's insanely compact, weighing just over 50 grams, yet it throws out up to 400 lumens and reaches 82 meters. Slide it into your pocket, snap it to your keychain, or clip it to your backpack. The dual light system is white light with 3 brightness settings for everyday tasks, and RGB with 7 vibrant colors that cycle for fun or emergencies. The 180-degree swivel head and magnetic base allow you to stick it anywhere and angle it exactly as needed. Whether you're camping, fixing your car, or crawling into a dark attic, this light's got your back. It's USB-C rechargeable in just 1.5 hours and runs up to 65 hours on low. Waterproof, lightweight, and thoughtfully designed, it's built to perform and built to last without overcomplicating anything. Just smart, rugged brilliance. Number 3. If your garden shrubs are looking a bit wild, the Tabor Tools B212A head shears are just what you need to bring them back in line. These trimmers feel like an extension of your arms, stretching from 25 to 33 inches to reach tall hedges without dragging out a ladder. The wavy carbon steel blades cut smoothly and precisely, which means healthier plants and more satisfying results every time. Unlike noisy power tools, this gives you control with every snip, and it's surprisingly therapeutic. The shock-absorbing bumpers take the sting out of tough jobs, saving your arms and shoulders from burnout. You'll also love the grippy, non-slip handles that stay comfortable even during long trimming sessions. Whether you're shaping boxwood, lining borders, or giving your topiary a fresh style, these shears are built to last and feel great in hand. Plus, you can adjust the blade tension with a twist, dialing in the right cut for any greenery in your yard. Total game changer. Number 4. The Worx Nitro WX031L cordless wet and dry vacuum is a compact powerhouse that doesn't mess around. Whether you're tackling sawdust in the workshop, water spills in the garage, or crumbs in your car, this thing delivers serious suction, 16 kilopascals to be exact. It runs on the same battery as over 75 other Worx tools, which means no cluttered pile of chargers and more power on demand. The 2.1-gallon tank handles everything from minor messes to full-on cleanup jobs, and the high and low speed control lets you pick just the right setting. The brushless motor doesn't just boost power, it also makes the vacuum more durable and energy efficient. With a shoulder strap included, you're free to move and clean without getting tangled in cords or lugging a clunky machine. Quick release latches make emptying a breeze too. It's the kind of tool you reach for once and then keep finding excuses to use. Built tough, runs long, and ready for anything. Number 5. The MQFORU cordless screwdriver is like having a trusty assistant in your hand. Compact, smart, and always ready to go. At just 21 centimeters long, it fits easily in drawers, toolboxes, or even your glove compartment. Its dual position handle lets you switch between straight and pistol grip depending on the task, and the built-in LED light is a game changer for working in dim corners or under cabinets. The forward and reverse switch makes quick work of loosening or tightening screws without the wrist strain. With a solid 3 Nm torque and 220 RPM, it's ideal for furniture assembly, DIY fixes, and anything that needs a confident twist. Plus, the rechargeable 3.6 volts battery keeps you powered up, and the USB charging option means no scrambling for a special charger. Whether you're a weekend tinkerer or the designated fixer-upper at home, this 47-in-1 kit packs convenience, comfort, and performance into one neat little powerhouse. It's DIY without the drama. Number 6. If precision is non-negotiable in your garage, the quenching split-beam torque wrench earns its keep fast. Built with chrome vanadium steel and tested to handle over 10,000 uses, this thing's clearly in it for the long haul. The beauty is in the design. No need to reset after each job, and it stays accurate to plus or minus 4% across its full 40 to 250 feet-pound range. Just dial in your torque, lock it, and turn clockwise until you hear that satisfying click. The 15-degree flex head makes it a game changer in tight spaces, especially when you're elbow deep in engine work. And thanks to the oil-resistant, non-slip handle, you stay in control without hand fatigue. No spring fatigue, no guessing, just rock-solid reliability every time. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or turning wrenches full-time, this tool delivers serious torque with less strain and zero drama. It's the wrench that thinks, so you can focus on the fix. Number 7. Sometimes it's the simplest tools that become the most useful, and these Vivos Yun twist ties are a great example. You get 164 feet of durable, plastic-coated wire that's flexible but holds its shape, making it perfect for tying up climbing plants, tomatoes, or loose vines in your garden. But it doesn't stop there. With the built-in cutter, trimming the perfect length is fast and hassle-free, no scissors needed. The roll unwinds smoothly and stays tangle-free on its compact spindle, which is oddly satisfying, especially when you're mid-project. Beyond gardening, this thing shines in the kitchen, garage, and office. You can seal snack bags, organize messy cords, or even hang lightweight decorations or garlands. It's reusable too, which means less waste and more value over time. Whether you're a green thumb or just tired of clutter, this little roll becomes one of those things you constantly reach for. It's tidy, handy, and sneakily addictive. Number 8. The Metaltech Buildman drywall stilts are like a superpower for anyone working overhead. Whether you're painting, mudding, or installing ceiling fixtures, these stilts let you glide around without dragging a ladder everywhere. They adjust from 24 to 40 inches and feel surprisingly light underfoot thanks to the aluminum build and smart padding. The comfort straps are a win. They hug your calves without digging in, while the self-locking metal buckles keep you securely strapped in so you can focus on the task, not your footing. The real magic is the dual spring action, which gives every step a bit of bounce and smooth motion, making long jobs easier on your knees and back. And with rubber padded soles, you get solid grip on a variety of surfaces. These stilts walk the line between comfort, safety, and serious utility. Once you've tried working with this kind of freedom, it's hard to go back to ground level. Number 9. The Klein Tools 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver is the kind of multi-tool that makes your whole toolkit feel smarter. With 14 different driver tips and a 1/4-inch nut driver built in, it handles just about every screw you'll meet, whether it's Phillips, slotted, square, Torx, or combo. The ratcheting handle has 3 settings, so you can zip through jobs forward, back, or lock in place for more control. Every bit is impact rated too, so you can pair it with a 1/4-inch impact driver when things get serious. Comfort's dialed in with the cushion grip handle, and the ProFlex torsion zone bits absorb shock and keep going strong over time. Whether you're on a job site or fixing up something at home, this tool saves time, reduces clutter, and just plain works. It's the screwdriver that steps up when the others fall short. Compact in your hand, but packed with purpose. Total game saver for any hands-on task. Number 10. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus is the kind of tool that saves the day when life gets messy. Whether it's muddy footprints, spilled wine, or your pet's not-so-cute accident, this compact cleaner is built to handle it fast. The 7-inch wide path tool makes quick work of carpets and rugs, while the tight spot tool digs into couch creases and car corners like a pro. What's cool is the dual tank design. Clean water stays separate from dirty, so you're never reusing grime. And cleanup after the cleanup? Super easy thanks to the hose rinse feature that flushes it all out with fresh water. It even comes with a trial of Hoover's OxiCleaning solution for that extra punch against stubborn stains. Paired with their pet or everyday formulas, this little machine becomes your new secret weapon for a cleaner home and car. It's surprisingly satisfying to use, and you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Number 11. The Joymoop Mop and Bucket Set takes the hassle out of cleaning with a clever 2-tank system that washes and dries your mop without ever touching dirty water. Just dip one side to scrub off grime and slide through the other to wring it dry. The 360-degree swivel head gets into tight corners and under furniture, while the extendable stainless steel handle lets you clean high spots or walls without bending or stretching awkwardly. At 13 inches wide, the microfiber pads cover plenty of ground and grab both dust and spills with ease. You get 4 washable pads included, so you're set for a good while. Everything nests neatly inside the bucket for storage, which is compact yet holds a roomy 6.5 liters. It's a true time saver and makes mopping way less of a chore. Whether you're tackling tile, hardwood, or random mystery splatters, this set is practical, efficient, and easy to love. Cleaning just got smarter. Number 12. The IGAD Pull 26 feet washing kit makes high-up cleaning surprisingly easy and oddly satisfying. With its 5-stage telescoping pull, you can reach windows, solar panels, and cobweb-ridden corners without wobbling on a ladder. It comes with a water-fed brush that connects to your garden hose, delivering a steady stream of water through 2 pencil jets while you scrub, plus a 10-inch squeegee with a rotating head that makes streak-free finishes a breeze. The cobweb duster is soft but serious, perfect for air vents, eaves, and tight corners indoors or out. What's even better? You can attach the included soap dispenser in line with the hose and fine-tune the soap-to-water ratio with a simple switch. Everything collapses down for easy storage, and the whole system weighs just 7 pounds. Manageable, even when fully extended. Built with thoughtful details and lightweight materials, this kit turns tedious, awkward cleaning into a simple task you might actually enjoy. It's reach, rinse, done.